I'm putting me first. Put me first, it's me on my t-shirt. Hold the receipt and I leave curb. I mind my business, but I would've did work. I'm signing him off, he can get goals.
I do have a yellow undertone. The first bun was like perfect, but this is the best that I can do. If you're watching this video, just know that you're getting into this little baby hair tutorial. These are bomb. They almost like Lori Harvey's, but they got a little Kimber swag to them. You know, with the list of whoopie swoop. Oh, and this brush is by Kiss. I use this edge brush with this Kera foam wrap lotion. This works, this works. This is all I need. Even for flyaways, this works. Here comes the tutorial for the best baby hairs in 2022. So we're gonna do these and then I'm gonna style my hair and then we'll come back. I'm gonna try to make this short, not too long. But you will need scissors, or you can use a razor. I don't need the razor because I know how to use the scissors, but you can get a razor and just kind of cut across or whatever. I've already taken out majority of what I want to cut. I want to try something new this time. I normally just take them out and then just cut them to where they can swoop like that and, you know, like be able to do it that way. But I want to try something new this time. Once you pull out what you want, you kind of put some back so your line isn't as straight. I already know my vision, so I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting. Right here is where I've started. So this is my starting point. I'm just going to kind of slant that this way. You know, you go back in like this to kind of get rid of the blunt ends, but you don't want to do it too much. And then this part is just gonna follow. Like, nobody wants a lot of baby hairs. Like, I'm just cutting at an angle. When you cut like that, it works. It's easier. Maybe I need a little more hair right here. Yeah, okay, so that works. This, for the most part, is gonna come out here, and I need it to be like that. So everything from here to here must go. I think I'm gonna make it just a tad bit shorter. So instead of me going up cutting that shorter, I'm just gonna go this way. Yes, this is what I want. I just want to be able to just put that there and it just do what it's supposed to do. Like, I want my baby hairs to give what they're supposed to give, you know? Should I cut that? Nah. Let's not cut that. So we're gonna do the same thing to this side. So what we're gonna do is just go from here, because this is where the hair is going, and this is the front part right here. Right here is where my hairline is. So we're gonna do this like this. This is the look that I want. Like, it's 2022. We need the good. They are looking like hella good. And then the sides here, these always grow so long. how I cut those too, it's the same way. Like, you gotta go in a angle. Alright, so I just wanted to go ahead and just film the whole process of me styling my hair. And I'm just gonna show you all what I'm starting with. I'm starting with the BB Castor Oil Hair Straightening Cream with aloe. So this works, and you only need a little bit. This is how much I have. Like, this is a little bit. And I do this all over my hands like lotion. And the castor oil is like really in there, like you can really see it. And then I take the Kera foam lotion and like that much, and I'm gonna put that in the bag. Let me show y'all one of the best tricks ever. I don't know if anyone else on YouTube has shown y'all that foam lotion does it for you. A lot of people don't believe me. They be like, what you use on your edges? And I'm like, foam lotion. They're like, what? I'm like, foam lotion. Alrighty, so that's done. And so now it's time to get these baby hairs how I want them. This is too long, I think, so I'm gonna have to cut some more. I got a gap right there. Pull them back out. I'm just waiting for them to like practically dry so I can just kind of do what I want to do. My hair is, I had a roller set done. I did it myself. That's gonna be one of the videos too. So yeah. And I love doing my buns. Like literally, this is all I do. And then I take this little piece here. I take this little piece right here and then I tighten it right there. And that makes my bun. Like literally. And I take my bobby pin. I like this one. Oh, let me rewrap that. first bun was like perfect, but this is the best that I can do. So back to these baby hairs, like they're basically done, to be honest. But the ends I think could be, maybe cut a little more. So let's get into this finished look. Oh, I got makeup on my shirt. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, I play around with my baby hairs every so often. But this time I kind of wanted to go almost Lori Harvey, you know, with the list of whoopie swoop. I think these baby hairs are on point. And I'm gonna just pick them up. I like the soft look. I don't know, it's just me. I like the soft look. I mean, if you like the hard look, then just let them stay. Let's highlight before we go. That's one thing we can do on camera. All I'm using is the Becca Topaz. Becca Topaz. I love this. Got it from Sephora. Now just do this, dab that off, and come above where I contoured, just right on that line. Kind of come up and down. And also, because I don't do a lot of eyeshadow, I just take whatever I highlight with and put it under my brow bone. I just go pay and get my makeup done whenever I want eyeshadow. And I just pay for eyes only because I know how to do the other makeup myself. I like the way I make my face look. Like, I literally make my face, my skin look natural. A lot more natural than others. But I mean, who knows your face better than you, you know? So now that that's done, I'm gonna take a little of my Estee Lauder Double Wear Amber Honey, and I'm gonna just put it above, like up here on my forehead. Like, some of this need to be toned down. So yeah, let's just do that. I do have a yellow undertone. So y'all, I have 3 different foundations that I use sometimes. I found the ones that don't break my face out. Thank God for that, because that was a journey. I remember when I was wearing MAC foundation. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it was the MAC or my hormones, but my face broke out so damn bad. So I just stopped using it because I didn't know. And this right here is what I use to blend everything. What do you think? How did I do? Leave it in the comments. I hope you all liked the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.